Hello. Okay, it's a new day, and we are back to clean out some jackets. As you can see, this box is very full. I cannot close the lid, so I think it's time that I go through it. Also, do you like my new closet doors?
No.
I did them yesterday. It took me several hours. So please tell me that you like them because I put a lot of work into it. Anyways, so starting off, here's the sweatshirt. I love this thing. Lava Love Beach Patrol. I got it when I worked at the beach. Sick. I'm never getting rid of it. It was it was the coolest thing. I was so happy when I I was like, oh my god, I get a sweatshirt. This is so cool. So I'm keeping this forever. I love it until it falls apart. This is a vest. It's not supposed to be in here, so let's just shoo. I've had this jacket for a very long time, so I could get rid of it, but it's such a good, just easy summer jacket, but also it's old, the sleeves are ripped down on the sides because I like to chew on my sleeves because I'm disgusting. And so there's there's holes in it that I can stick my finger through. But it's so easy in the summer. I don't know. We'll put it in the maybe pile. Oh no, I love this sweater. This is a sweater that my sister was gonna donate because she doesn't like crop tops, but I love crop tops, and the sweater is very comfy, so I think I'm gonna keep this for right now. Okay, here's my lifeguard sweatshirt. I got this back when it was really cool to have a lifeguard sweatshirt. And when I wore it to school, everyone would be like, oh, you're a lifeguard? And it's no, I am a terrible swimmer. I had to get rescued from the ocean by 4 lifeguards.
We are going to pretend we didn't hear that.
So I wouldn't mind, I wouldn't be mad if I got rid of it. We'll put it in the maybe. Rose Apothecary from Schitt's Creek. We're keeping this.
Oh my god, ew, David!
Here's a Christmas sweater. It's a little candy cane little elf thing. I don't need this. We can get rid of this one. This is the get rid of pile. Okay, here's this one. Another one that my sister was gonna get rid of. But it's cute.
Well,
I don't know if I'm a big fan of the neckline. When I wear it on, it looks a little bit weird. But I'll put it in the maybes and then I'll try it on again and then I'll see if I like it. I'm keeping this. This is just a easy, lightweight thing, but it has a little pocket in the front. I just got this. Also from my sister, but I'm keeping it. Same thing with this one, keeping it. I don't even want to deal with this yet. I've had this. I got this freshman year. You actually just saw this in one of the other videos that I posted a couple months ago called my jacket collection. I got this freshman year, but it's also a little bit falling apart, but I still wear it. That's the problem. Even the stuff that's falling apart, I'll put it in the maybe. I still wear it because I like it. It's only falling apart because I wear it a lot and because I chew the sleeves and I bite through things. Here's the other one I got with it. I'm definitely keeping this one. This one I love, but the tiger one I like, you know? Here's one I got from Abercrombie last year, and I can't wear it in front of my mom or else she curses at me and gets mad that I didn't get her one. But I got it on sale, and then when I tried to get her one after she freaked out, they were out of stock, so sorry, Lore, my bad. Here's a winter hat. This doesn't go in here. Here's just a velvet baseball hat. This also doesn't go in here. This is a sweater Steamboat Springs, from Steamboat Springs music festival that my sister goes to with her boyfriend every year. And she gave this to me this Christmas and I like it a lot. So I'm keeping this one. I don't think I'm gonna get rid of a lot of things. Here's a winter hat, or winter gloves, / mittens, a beanie, another beanie, leather gloves. They don't go there. Alright, here's another thing that my sister gave me. It's a orange coral Puma sweatshirt, but I like it. So we'll keep it. Alright, this I'm gonna get rid of. This is like, it's like graffiti. It's like a zip up, but I never wear it. Here is a gray version of the maroon jacket from earlier. Again, it's just like a lightweight, easy summer sweatshirt. But this one isn't falling apart at the sleeves as much. So,
Well,
we're keeping that one. Okay, I can get rid of these two. This is a light pullover with a pocket, but it's got like an old pattern on it, you know, back in like 2015 when this was cool. I don't need this. I can get rid of that. I can do the same thing with this one, light pullover with a pocket. I don't need it.
I don't care!
Here's a string for that gray sweatshirt. Let me put that in a pocket. No poqueta. Little pocket. I don't know what that accent was. Here's another sweatshirt that I got for work. It's really big.
She's a mammoth, of course.
But it's good for, well, it was originally my sister's boyfriend, and he like gave it to me for like the day, but I got it dirty, so I washed it, and then I dried it, and then it shrunk in the dryer, so now he can't fit into it, so now it's my shirt. This will go in the maybe, because I don't need it. Oh my god.
Oh Lord.
This is like a little sweat skirt that has lifeguard on the butt that I got for a Halloween costume a couple years ago. This is funny, but we can get rid of this because we don't need it. But it matched with like the other one. That was fun. Here's a rain jacket. I guess we're keeping it because it's the only rain jacket I have. Here's the last actual jacket. It's a pullover from the old school that I used to work for, but it's a really nice pullover, but I don't work for that school anymore. So I'm never gonna wear it, but we'll keep it for right now. And then here are just a bunch of bandanas. I guess I'll put the stuff that I'm using back in here, and then we'll see if it closes. Well, let me show you, I guess. So here are my 3 piles. This is everything that I'm keeping. These are my maybes, and these are no's. So I'll put everything that I'm keeping back in here. I'm gonna move that to where it needs to be. Yeah. Okay. Everything fits with some space at the top for expansion. Very exciting. These I'm still getting rid of. I still have to figure out what I want to do with these. Okay. I need your opinion. How do y'all feel about this?
No.
I don't know if I like it or not.
No.
I don't dislike it,
I said no.
but it's a little bit scratchy.
You can kill all that right now. Like at this moment,
But
stop.
also because I'm not wearing anything underneath it. And like I do have a black sweater. I do have this one, which is like, they're kind of similar, but this one's like gray and this one's gold. So it could like be used for 2 different like tones of outfits, you know?
Nothing new, nothing changed, same old shit. Same old fucking shit.
I think I'll keep it. I think I'm gonna keep it. I'm not sure about the others though. Okay, I decided I'm keeping everything except for that navy sweatshirt.